Namaste दोस्तों, welcome back to October 81, your green companion, where every plant tells a story and every day it teaches us something new in the garden. If you love nature, plants and everything green, then you are at the right place. Let's walk into the video and start our green journey. Today we are doing my October garden tour, which is just after the monsoon season, and every plant has grown up to be healthy and full of new life. See friends, this is the time after the rainy season when the soil is full of moisture and the air is cool and nature itself spreads its color in every corner is so green and beautiful. Just look at the beauty of these wild mushrooms. Look at their delicate shapes and patterns, almost like tiny fairy houses popping out of the soil. But friends, beware. These wild mushrooms look beautiful, but many of them are not edible. So admire them, capture their beauty, but never taste them unless you truly know their species. Next, I want to show you our garden's green giant, my monster money plant, which is surviving in our garden since more than 10 years, and it has now become a landmark of our garden. It has climbed all the way up, wrapping the tree like a green blanket of life. Money plant has always been considered as a lucky symbol of good luck and positive energy. And when a plant stays with you for 10 years, then it doesn't just remain a plant, it becomes a part of the family. Look how a dry tree has found a new purpose to host life once again through the mighty money plant. Look at these caladiums popping up again, pink, white and green shades, glowing under the October sun. It is so colorful, as if some painter has painted it with so much love and affection. My garden's every nook and corner is spread and occupied by this beautiful variety of caladium. Let's talk about the center of attraction in our garden, fern plant. It's not any fern, it's a rare variety with delicate fronds that curl like tiny green feathers. This fern loves the shade, the cool soil and the gentle humidity after monsoon, and that's what keeps it glowing and lush all year round. Let's talk about this rare and unique plant. This is ginger shampoo plant, also known as ginger zerumbet. Isn't it amazing, friends? A plant growing in my backyard for years, and I just discovered it's nature's own shampoo bottle. Dear friends, this plant's detailed video is coming soon next, where I will showcase its benefits and care tips. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be super interesting.
Friends, you might have seen the common green banana varieties, but today I want to show you our red banana plant. It has grown up so wonderfully. Its shining leaves indicates the positive effect of monsoon, lush green with a hint of maroon on the leaves. As compared to the green bananas, red bananas are shorter, thicker with reddish purple skin and creamier texture, soft, sweet and aromatic, often compared to a mix of banana and raspberry flavor. Next comes my favorite, coconut tree. It's the smallest in height in our backyard, but it provides us with fresh water, perfect for hydration after gardening. Nature's best energy drink. We have two varieties of coconut trees in our backyard, and this one is the best because of its size. One coconut can provide you at least 2 glasses of fresh coconut water, and one coconut is enough to prepare 2 curries due to its size and thickness. Then comes one more amazing plant which is very important in our kitchen and our overall health. That's raw turmeric plant for you. We have been growing these since 4 years now. Look at those lush green leaves, broad, smooth and full of aroma. Turmeric plants love moisture and shade, and after the monsoon they look their absolute best. Then comes another must-have tree which is packed with health and healing benefits. We South Indians from Kerala are use drumstick in literally all dishes, and its leaves too is full of health benefits. This is the same tree which was damaged due to heavy rains, but now it has started growing and giving us new leaves each day. Friends, let's go to one more unique plant of ours, the avocado plant. This plant was the pride of our garden, but friends, in this year's rains, it was badly damaged. All its leaves fell, and for some time I thought that it won't survive. But as they say, nature always finds a way. After the rains, as the sun rays appeared, new life emerged in the soil, and soon avocado plant started growing once again, slowly but beautifully climbing towards the sky. With fresh hope, I have full faith that soon it will give us fruiting gift, and whenever this happens I will share the magic moment with all of you. So friends, stay tuned for that exciting update right here on October 81. Friends, let's talk about this every gardener's and my personal favorite plant, hibiscus. After the rain, it seems as if the plant has got new life. The leaves turn deep green, the stems grow strong, and every morning when the sun rises, its buds blooms and makes my garden colorful with red, pink and white flowers. Friends, this is a new entry in my garden. I had recently got a cutting of this from one of my friend's house. So if you know the name of that plant, please mention in the comment. Let's go to the special corner of my garden where you can find my hard work, patience and luck combined together to get the beautiful outcome. Yes friends, I'm talking about my bitter gourd vine. This bitter gourd vine I myself grew from seeds, and frankly speaking, watching this vine grow daily was one amazing journey. From those tiny seedlings to these long beautiful climbing vines, it's been pure joy to watch nature's magic unfold. Now let's talk about our most loved tree in our garden, our jackfruit tree. This tree was planted some years back, and every year we got some jackfruit to harvest. But this year, some magic has happened. After the monsoon rains, the tree looks completely refreshed with new buds, shining leaves, and many new jackfruit buds. Honestly, I have never seen these many buds before. The branches are full of life, and it feels like the tree is celebrating the season itself. Every morning, when I go to the garden and see these new buds, my heart keeps saying, nature never stops giving. I'm so excited to see how these tiny buds turn into full grown jackfruits in the coming months. And when it does, I will share it with you all friends. Before going to our next plant, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and hype too. It would be much appreciated. Now let's go to our health booster plant, Aparajita, also known as butterfly pea flower. After the rains, these plants are at their blooming best. Long green creepers, soft velvet leaves, and these lovely blue and white flowers which shine so bright in the morning sunlight. These flowers are not just beautiful, they symbolize purity, peace, and devotion. And the tea which is prepared from its flowers is multi beneficial. It helps in calming the mind, improving memory, and also acts as a natural stress reliever. I have started saving its seeds too, and you can even dry the flowers and start save for winters, as during winters these plants go to dormancy period. So whenever your plants start forming seeds, don't let them go waste. Save them carefully, dry them and store them for the next growing season. Now let's talk about our garden's most holy and valuable plant, the holy Tulsi, also known as sacred basil. Every year after the rains, whole garden becomes full of greenery, and magically all corners of our boundary wall new Tulsi plant grows. It's like nature itself decided to bless our garden with Tulsi everywhere. Our main Tulsi plant standing tall in the center looks greener and fuller than ever. Its fresh leaves gives off that divine aroma every morning, which makes the whole surrounding pure and serene. I always feel that every Tulsi leaf carries peace and positivity, and having so many around makes the entire backyard feel like a little temple. So friends, if Tulsi grows naturally in your garden, let it be. Don't pull it out. It's a symbol of life, purity and protection. A true blessing after every monsoon. Now let's move to my garden's new member, the first love plant, also known as golden panda plant. This plant I had purchased from our nearby nursery. Just like its name, it was love at first sight for me. Seeing its beautiful dark red and bright yellow flowers and shiny green leaves, I couldn't leave it there in the nursery. In the beginning, it was planted in a small pot, but as it started growing, I felt I should provide more space for it. So I decided to plant it directly in the ground so that its root could spread freely and grow stronger. Now, after some weeks, look, the plant has become healthy and bright. Plants are just like us. When they get the freedom to spread their roots, they grow to their best version. Now I am looking forward to seeing how beautifully this first love plant grows in the coming months. Growth always happens when we give space, care, and love. Some months back, we had thrown some papaya seeds in our backyard without any hope, just casually, and look now from that, so many small papaya plants have grown by themselves. After monsoon, maybe the soil moisture gave them the perfect conditions to grow, and now the whole corner is filled by tiny papaya saplings. And yes, when the first papaya fruits appear, you will be the first to see them right here on October 81. Friends, this is the beauty of nature. You don't always need to plan everything. Only little love, soil, and belief, and rest. Nature teaches us itself. So, whether it's a wild mushroom, a growing vine, or a papaya sprout, every plant only teaches us that keep growing no matter what. I hope you all enjoyed this November backyard garden tour of mine. And if you love this green journey, please like, share, and subscribe to Up to 81.